Every day, more people wake up battling fatigue, bloating, rising blood sugar, or stubborn belly fat. Even teenagers now struggle with joint pain and poor sleep. But what if your body already knows how to heal itself? By literally eating its own diseases. Hidden inside every cell is a built-in repair system called autophagy, from the Greek words meaning self-eating. This process was mapped by a Nobel Prize-winning Japanese biologist, revealing genes that can switch autophagy on and unlock your body's deep healing potential. But most people never give their bodies the chance to activate it. We eat from morning till midnight, non-stop digestion. To trigger autophagy, finish your dinner early, around 6:30 p.m, and fast until 12:30 p.m. the next day. This 18-hour window shifts your body from digestion to repair mode. Insulin drops, repair genes switch on. Autophagy follows the rhythm of sunlight. Eating earlier helps digestion and accelerates fat loss. As fasting deepens, your body burns stored fat for energy. These ketones fuel your brain and reduce inflammation. Exercise, fasting, and even brief stress, like saunas or cold showers, trigger more repair. During deep sleep, your brain's cleansing system flushes out toxins and damaged proteins. You can power up this self-healing with foods like green tea, turmeric, olive oil, and blueberries. Add omega-3s, vitamins D3, K2, and B3 to support cellular renewal. And avoid alcohol, snacking, and poor sleep. Fast for 16 to 18 hours, move your body, sleep deeply, and eat real foods. Because the most powerful doctor isn't found in a clinic, it's already inside you.